Hello guys, welcome to Chorus Class YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to explain how we can solve 20th question in our chorusclass.com website. So the 20th question is here you can see on screen we have an employee tracking table, and in that we have a name field, role, time taken, and dependency on. The question is how long does it take to finish C's task. You can see A, B, C, D, E as names. So everybody has their own tasks, and I have given a time taken field. So in the time taken field, how long does it take to finish their tasks? So A will take 1 hour to finish his task, B will take 2 hours to finish his task, C will take 1 hour, D 2.5, E 3 hours. I have given the time taken for their tasks. So but they have a dependency on some other people, because if B wants to finish his task, he need to wait until D finish his task. You can see in the second row. And if C wants to finish his task, C should wait for until E should finish his task. Okay, so that is the question. It is not too much tricky. So I'm going to explain how we can solve this. So first we need to get an output, like we need to get that chain reaction in this table. So A has no dependency. So first we need to pick A. Let me increase the font size. So first we need to get A output, and he has no dependency, so he can finish his task in one hour. So next one, who has dependency on A? E has dependency on A. So next one we need to get E, and his time taken is 3 hours. So next one, who has dependency on E? C has dependency. So C, and C will take around 1 hour to finish his task. And next one, D has dependency on C. D can finish his task in 2.5 hours. And next one, B has dependency on D, so B and 2. So we need to write a query. We need to write a query to get this output: A, E, C, D, B. This sequence, if we get this sequence, then you can easily find like a, so you can easily find like C's task. Like you can give like a 1 2 3 sequence numbers here. So until 3 we need to do the sum. So total how many hours? 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5 hours. C can finish his task. We can easily identify that by using the row number functions and something. But the main thing is we need to get output like this. So what we can do to get this output? So here so this is the query I have written. Actually, like I have used MySQL 5.7 version because my database is 5.7 version. So you can try in your own database. Like you can use MySQL 8. The code will be like a little bit small compared to this one, but you can solve it. Like all you need to do is like how to get this output. You need to get that idea. That's it. Okay. So here I'm going to explain the code. So first one, so forget about this one, this rank thing. So after we get this output, then we need to use this select statement, this rank and everything. So first we need to concentrate this part. So here you can see select name comma time taken from employee tracking table. I'm doing left join with the same table, and I'm taking name and dependency. Okay, so where dependency is null. So by using this one, what will be the output? So I'm doing join A, B. What happened? Did I change any code? Okay. So we are joining the same table. A dot name equals to dependency. Okay. So here, considering this table twice. So A dot name means considering this one, A equals to A. So A equals to A, and we will get A admin 1 null and E dev 3A. So here I'm giving where A dependency is null, so it will take only this row. Okay, so what will be the output? A and admin. If we mention like a select star, so here time taken 1 and this one is null, so this is matched with this one. So I'm taking E, and then this one is dev, and this is 3, and dependency on A. So like this we can get an output. So in this field, like how we are getting this format. So we got a here, so we got a here, we can pick this one. So that's why I have mentioned a dot name. So a dot name means we can get this one. And also I have mentioned a dot time taken in this field, in this select statement. So a dot time taken means we'll get this one. So a1. So we have achieved this first row. And then what I'm doing, so here we got this one. Next I'm doing join with this one, E. We need to do join with E. So here I have used union to for next row. So select b dot name comma b dot time taken from EMP, in the join here you can see I'm doing inner join. So here select a dot name. I just gave the entire query like previous query. I have given this one. So what is the output of this one? This and this row. This row. This is the output of the subquery. So I'm doing join the entire table with this one. So I'm doing a join with the name and dependency again. So here you can see where's the second select statement. So here I'm doing join with the a dot name. That means I'm taking a dot name from here. So this entire subquery I'm taking alias name a. A dot name is equals to b dot time b dot dependency on. So that means here a dot name means a. I'm joining with dependency on a. So a equals to a, it will match. It is matching. So I'm taking output of b dot name. So b dot name means this one. Okay. So the next output will be e, and I'm taking b dot time taken there. So e equals to 3. So we got a second row. Here you can see we got a second row, e equals to 3. So the same thing, like I will put the entire subquery, the second entire subquery in a third statement, and I will do join with the same table. Then we can get output like e equals to e. We can see this next one, e, we got e, right? So next we will do e equals to e. So we'll get a c equals to 1. So like this we can do until we form the full chain reaction. We can continue the same thing, but in MySQL 5.7 we don't have a with clause like a recursive thing. We don't have that one, so we need to do manually like this. And there is some other options also, but this one I like to solve this way, so we can learn some more things like how the old people solve this kind of things, how much script they need to write to solve this kind of problems. So I just want to explain that. But in recent days we have a latest versions, and we have like inbuilt functions, like so many improvements in our database. So for us it is so easy, but for old people, like in olden days, they need to spend a lot of time to solve this kind of questions. So try to solve it like all we need to do is we need to get this output. So once we got this output, we can easily put row number 1 2 3. Like you can easily identify like 1 2 3, like where c equals to, we can mention the where condition here, where c equals to some we need to find a rn. So here for example this one is rn field. So where c equals to we can mention where name equals to c, then we can get rn3. So we can do the sum function, and which less than or equals to rn less than or equals to 3, then we can do this sum. We can get a c's time taken. So this is like anybody can do, like after we got this puzzle, after we got this output, anybody can do this kind of thing. So this is how we can approach this kind of problem. So this is kind of like a parent-child relationship. For example, if we take the employee table, so in employee table we have an employee number in one row, and we have a manager number in other row. So we'll do some joins like whose manager is like we can do that like by using the self join, right? So same kind of problem, but this one is a little bit tricky, like because I want to find the total sum of time taken. So we need to get that order. Don't forget to follow my codesclass.com website. You can find some interesting questions like this, so you can improve your SQL skills. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.